Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're unboxing and installing one of the cleanest looking PSUs on the market, the Lian Li Edge 1000 watts. It's a fresh, next-gen PSU packed with smart features and modern design, built for today's high-end builds. Let's dive right in. This unit is 80+ gold certified, but if you're shopping around, you'll also find bronze and even platinum options in the Edge series lineup. Starting with the satisfying peel of the wrap. Every side of the box showcases Lian Li's premium branding and key features worth pausing for. Here's one of the most important specs: a nearly full 996 watts on the 12-volt rail. Impressive for a 1000-watt PSU. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First up, a thank you note and the user manuals. Then we've got cable management straps and mounting screws, and also plastic cable combs for a super clean look with your build. A pack of sleeved black modular cables. We'll go over these in detail later. Also included is something I personally love: a modular hub, one of the main reasons I chose this PSU. Time to reveal the PSU itself. Each side has a clean white finish. The magnetic fan cover pops off easily. It doubles as a dust filter and reattaches with ease. Now here's that hub again. It attaches directly to the PSU, but thanks to the magnetic back, you can also mount it anywhere inside your case. Now we're going to open this soft fabric pouch and take a look at all the modular cables included for our build. First up is the main power cable, but I honestly can't understand why it's still black. Considering the rest of the PSU and accessories follow a clean white aesthetic, this feels a bit out of place. If you know the reason behind this choice, feel free to share it in the comments. I'd love to know. Next, we have the hub cables. There's a USB 2.09 pin to Type A cable, which is used to connect the hub to the motherboard, especially useful when you're low on internal USB headers. We also get a 3-pin cable intended for powering case fans or RGB devices through the hub. With modern cases supporting up to 10 fans, this kind of modular expandability is a real advantage. There is also an extra mounting bracket included for case integration. Here's what we find inside the main cable bundle. $600-watt GPU cable for next-gen GPUs. One 24-pin ATX motherboard cable with integrated cable combs. A SATA power cable with 4 connectors. One 8-pin CPU power cable. Another longer SATA cable, around 40 centimeters. 4 PCIe 6+2 pin cables, one of which is dual-ended. A 4+4 pin CPU power cable. A peripheral Molex cable. Note, while these cables are styled to resemble braided fabric, they are actually made of molded plastic. Here I test the hub by connecting it to the PSU via PCIe. The magnetic back lets you place it anywhere on the metal frame of your case. There is also a slight bulge beneath the PSU's chassis, likely caused by an internal screw or mounting point. I'm installing the PSU into the Lian Li O11 Dynamic EVO, a case this PSU was clearly designed for. As you can see, the fit is perfect, and installation is straightforward. This case also supports top-mounted PSU placement if needed. To wrap up, I connect the hub again using the PCE cable and mount it magnetically in a different spot within the case. This PSU shows how far power supply design has come. From functional hubs to thoughtful aesthetics, Lian Li is clearly pushing boundaries.